여기 호화로운 별장에서 한 남자가 은밀한 파티를 즐기고 있습니다.
You have any Mount Gay? I asked for it.
None there. We got some more on the way.
잠시 후 남자는 빨간 조명이 켜진 방으로 들어가는데요.
Please, let me go
No
home.
more crying. You should be happy. You're my favorite.
그런데 이때
Can I be your favorite? Unlock her. I'm getting you out of here. There's a boat on the dock. Get inside and wait for me, okay? Now you lock up.
Who are you?
Lock up, and then we talk.
What do you want?
Your money. Or at least the 11,426,000 at SCP Bank in Lugano.
Come on, Madison. I have a toy for us to play with. Get out of here.
그렇게 부자들의 은밀한 별장은 지옥으로 돌변하고 맙니다.
I brought my toy. You don't want to play with me?
All transactions are traceable.
By the time they find my account, your money will be gone.
And now, I need the key to your safety deposit box in Houston.
You can't get in without me.
Better to give up the key than die. You understand that's the proposition here, don't you?
It's on my key ring. Who are you?
Soy la hija de la doctora Gabriela Alejandra Porras.
Why are you doing this?
Are you asking because you don't know what you've done to deserve this? Do you want a hint, Richie? They say I have her eyes.
알고 보니 루스라는 여성은 남자 때문에 어머니를 빼앗겨 복수를 하고 있던 것이었죠.
Giving to me.
I didn't know that they were. I'm so sorry.
You have sinned enough. You vile, limp dick, waste of flesh and bone. We both know that wasn't a mistake. And you didn't regret it. Until now.
And who by water, who in the sunshine.
결국 루스는 여성들을 별장에서 구해낸 뒤 유유히 사라집니다. 한편 주인공 앨릭스 크로스는 램지 사건을 잘 마무리해 표창을 수여받습니다.
To inspire the next generation of Metropolitan Police officers. Please help me welcome Detective Alex Cross.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to be here. Now, they put me on the podium today to stand as a shining example because in their eyes, I represent the best of us. I appreciate that. I'm proud of what I've accomplished. But when you look at me, also know I represent the worst of us. I assaulted an innocent man, and I was on the job. Detective John Sampson made me face the music. He saved my life.
크로스는 모든 사람이 실수는 할 수 있지만 그것을 바로 세우는 것이 정의라며 연설을 마치죠.
We must hold ourselves to a higher standard.
그렇게 크로스가 연설을 마치는 사이 FBI 요원인 케일라는 새로운 사건을 맡게 되는데요.
Given me for what?
Are you familiar with Lance Durand, Crestbrook Industries?
Chicken guy? Wants to be Steve Jobs in overalls?
Someone's trying to kill him. Director Hammett would love it if you could find out who before they do.
And I could do that.
Now, we'd also like Alex Cross working the case with you.
Excuse me?
Director Hammett's request. He knows Alex Cross is a great detective. He knows you two have worked together in the past on the Sinigi case, the Ramsey case, which is still fresh in everybody's mind. And he wants this to be a joint investigation.
They want to keep it quiet. Okay, they can avoid mandatory disclosures if they go joint with MPD.
Lance Durand is adamant this will not make it to the press.
결국 케일라는 크로스와 함께 랜스 듀랜드라는 남자의 신변 보호를 맡기로 하죠.
Can you handle taking orders from me?
No problem at all.
Okay. Let's do it.
며칠 전 듀랜드는 번영의 씨앗이라는 신제품을 공개하려다 협박 메시지를 받았다며 동영상을 보여줍니다.
What was in the box? Whose are these?
I don't know.
Someone send these to you.
I don't know. And I don't know how they got into the conference either, which is why I decided it is time that we needed help.
And you were the one who brought the box to the stage?
Yes, and before that, I got everything ready backstage. I triple-checked the entire presentation, and the last time I looked in the box, the only thing that was in it was the Prosperity Seed prototype.
And did you ever leave the box alone?
I went to the bathroom. I was gone maybe 10 minutes, tops.
Most homicides are committed by someone you know. Know the photo of the fingers. It's all very personal. My experience, it suggests someone's out for revenge.
I get it. Any person in my position, like, you're gonna make enemies along the way, but I have no clue who would chop up fingers and stuff them in a box.
Your next suggests that there was someone before you. Would you know who that was?
No idea.
이때 크로스는 듀랜드의 경호원들에게 범인에 대한 단서가 있다면 공유해달라고 요구하는데요.
What about a working theory on who could be behind this? I mean, you must have something.
We turned every stone. This is the only thing we found that we thought might matter.
그렇게 경호원들은 1년 전 한 남자가 소란을 피웠던 영상을 보여주죠.
Guy starts shouting we could never figure out who he was.
Scary, huh? Whoever that was next to me yesterday, close enough to put the fingers in the box. Please find this person. I will not sleep until you do.
결국 남자를 용의자로 특정하는 이들.
Still no hits on facial recognition?
Nope, nothing. Every time we get a chance to get this guy's face on camera, he distorts the biometrics by flashing some weird smile. That means he could be ex-military or intelligence?
Or both.
하지만 남자를 추적할 단서는 없었고 크로스는 잘린 손가락에 주목합니다.
Sick shit.
And whoever did this is harboring a deep vendetta. I mean, the fingers, the photo mutilation, it all suggests an uncontrollable childlike rage.
Disfiguring someone's image like that is usually associated with religious or sexual delusion.
It implies that whoever did this, they're not just out for retribution. They think the killing is going to right a wrong on some deep, profound moral level.
So what's the injustice?
And what kind of person fights it like this?
다음 날 수사는 이어지지만 남자에 대한 단서는 여전히 찾을 수 없었는데요.
Any leads?
So far, no viable suspects.
We've combed through all the background searches of the staff and guests from the convention a year ago and the Food Equity Forum yesterday, but so far, everything's coming up clean. But we'll get a bite.
Maybe you can help us out with that. Channel the spirits.
I'm not sure they're with me today.
All right, maybe if we can focus on motive, we can figure out who he is.
John, can you pull up the conference footage again?
이때 무언가 떠오른 듯 크로스는 당시 현장의 동영상을 다시 보기로 합니다.
So this guy's stalking Durand for over a year. Why?
Disfiguring someone's image like that is usually associated with religious or sexual delusion.
범인의 징후를 유추해보는 크로스.
Whoever did this thinks Durand is dirty and immoral.
You're gonna die!
They have an uncontrollable rage, primal. But the fingers are the key. Fingers. The fingers. John, playback lobby camera 12, full screen. Right there.
이때 크로스는 한 남자가 한쪽 팔을 수상하게 계속 감추며 사용하지 않는 것을 발견하는데요.
It's right here. Boom. Anybody want to guess why?
Because he can't use it. Because he's missing fingers.
That's right. And he blames Lance Durand. Whoever this is wants Durand to pay the same price he did.
This is about retribution. The fingers are a symbol. He wants Durand to know he's the next target.
They're connected to whatever profound moral error he thinks Durand committed. John, can you start beating the bushes on recent homicides where victims had their fingers cut off?
Can someone else handle that?
그런데 이때 크로스의 파트너인 존에게 어떤 여자 용의자가 존을 특정해 찾는다는 소식이 전해집니다.
I got you.
결국 존과 크로스는 듀버네이라는 용의자를 찾아가는데요.
Miss Duvernay, this is the MPD interrogation room. People suspected of committing serious crimes and brought here for questioning. Do you understand why we're here?
Yes,
I'm not the detective on this case.
I know that.
Well, then why did you ask for me?
I thought you'd know the moment you walked in. I'm your mother.
이때 존은 어렸을 적 자신을 버리고 갔던 엄마를 만나고 크게 당황합니다.
Leave.
John. No, John, I didn't do it. Look, you're the only one who can help me.
그날 밤 복잡한 표정으로 앉아있는 존을 향해 다가가는 크로스.
You want to talk? I love you, man.
크로스는 형제 같은 존의 아픈 과거를 굳이 묻지 않고 이해해 주기로 하죠. 그 시각 평화로운 가정집에 누군가가 몰래 들어가는데요. 그리고 다음 날 부부는 경직된 표정으로 출근 준비를 하고 있습니다.
Did you ever see Pirates, cousin Manny?
No. Thank God.
남자는 능청스럽게 아이들과 대화하며 부부의 친구인 척 연기를 하는데요.
I'm begging you. Please don't hurt
Hey,
me.
hey, listen
Please.
to me. This deal is real simple. And I trust you to keep up your end, Beverly, I do. And you can trust me to keep your family safe. Get them tears out your eyes. You can do this. Good. Now get.
잠시 후 은행 직원이었던 여자는 남자의 협박대로 루스를 금고로 안내합니다.
Right this way.
Oh my God. How are you keeping it together? I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Okay, that's my aunt. That guy, he took her. He told me he's got your family too, right? He said he's got your kids.
Yes. What does he want? He told me I have to do whatever you said.
And he kept talking about this man, Helvig.
He's one of our big clients, but he just died. Someone. He was murdered. Do you think?
I don't know. Probably.
But he wouldn't kill my children, would he?
Let's just get this done. We are supposed to get whatever's inside of this safety deposit box.
Shit.
그렇게 루스의 연기에 속아 넘어간 여자는 가족을 지키기 위해 금고의 열쇠를 찾습니다.
Over here. Bring your key.
Got it.
Hey, wait, we don't have much time.
He does not need all that stuff. Files can go in here.
You're gonna get our families killed. He said everything.
We'll give Manny the cash.
We don't know what Manny expects to find in here. Don't be stupid.
Manny will never know.
Yes, he will. Because I'm gonna tell him. We're not idiots, Beverly. We knew you couldn't be trusted to do this without supervision, and you just proved it.
No, I didn't. I just. Please don't hurt me.
What happens next is up to you. Because as you've seen, we know everything about you. So move your ass, Beverly, and help me get this shit out of here.
결국 루스의 요구대로 여자가 움직이는 사이 크로스는 듀랜드를 협박하는 남자를 쫓고 있습니다.
Maybe we should stop focusing on him. He knows how to get through surveillance. But if that credential was fake, he didn't just come through the front door, right? Somebody had let him in. Maybe he had a friend in there. We should try to find them.
Okay.
Hey, anybody in here heard of Richard Helvig?
The billionaire perv?
That's the one. That filthy McNasty got his ass killed 3 days ago.
참고로 헬빅이라는 남자는 얼마 전 루스에게 살해당한 남자인데요.
Is this related, Lieutenant?
The man had 3 fingers chopped off, so you tell me. Our FBI buddies were able to commandeer the corpse. Hondo's had some time with it, so he's ready to give a prelim.
Yeah.
그렇게 크로스는 헬빅과 듀랜드의 연관성을 찾기 위해 헬빅의 부검 결과를 듣기로 하고 듀랜드에게 전달된 손가락이 헬빅의 것이란 걸 알게 되죠.
Fingers match?
Short answer is yes. But let me put a couple pings to your radar. See, usually you'd have crushing with these types of injuries. Bolt cutters, cleavers, you know. This time it was different. This is done with a very sharp blade. That a guess? By someone who's done it before.
Thanks, Hondo.
One more ping. This guy, he has surface level cuts all over his torso. Now, they're not deep enough to kill, but they were done only after he was already dead. Same thing with the fingers. They cut him off, yeah, but only after he was killed. Which makes me wonder, maybe they were souvenirs.
Nope. The killer sent those fingers to his next intended victim.
Gee, what kind of sick fuck are you after?
곧바로 크로스와 케일라는 듀랜드를 찾아가는데요.
You don't recognize him?
Is that a joke? This person's burned to a crisp.
You know, you're right. We're sorry. We should give you more to go on. The fingers that you found in your music box, they belonged to that man. His name is Richard Helvig. Ring a bell?
Oh, man.
You knew they were Helvig's fingers when we met. We wasted our time. You wasted our time. Why?
I'm assuming you know the rumors about Helvig.
And more than rumors.
Right. I do not want my name associated with that child predator in any way, shape, or form.
We're trying to save your life. Did you know him?
Sure, yes. I met him when...
You know, if you had just communicated and come clean immediately, we would have had a team on that island within hours.
We gave you the prime suspect. Let's just keep the focus on him.
We can't do our jobs if you're lying to us.
I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I swear.
그렇게 헬빅과 듀랜드의 연관성이 확인되고 그 사이 경찰은 듀랜드에게 협박 메시지를 보낸 남자의 조력자인 여자를 찾아냅니다.
You said he had a friend. This is her.
She taped the latch so the door wouldn't lock. Please tell me you know who she is.
Oh, yeah. This one has no idea how to beat facial imaging. Meet our accomplice, Mackenzie Estelle Zukov. Currently resides in Catonsville, Maryland.
곧바로 주코프가 일하는 병원으로 향하는 이들.
Who could have...
You really feel like it's his best play? Make her feel like she's helping her?
Oh, she took a risk for this guy in a big way. Big way. Why would she do that unless she had feelings for him?
Hi, we're looking for Dr. Zukov.
Room 11.
Thank you. Dr. Zukov.
Hi, I'm Detective Alex Cross. This is my partner, Special Agent Kayla Craig.
If you want to discuss a patient, you're going to have to get a court order.
Oh, no, we're actually here for you.
Yeah, but not like that. No, we're looking for someone who used to be a patient here. The admin, Dr. Mendoza, she said you were pretty tight with him.
Yeah, that's John Ramos. I remember him. What do you do?
Dr. Zukov, would you rather we have this talk down at the station? Or do you want to maybe start telling us the truth?
We have footage of you helping him sneak into an environmental conference.
The truth is, he never should have been here to begin with. What kind of trouble is he in?
We can't give you those details, but it's serious. Did you catch the part where we said that he was in danger? We really need you to tell us where he is.
I can't do that. If we do talk, it's because he reached out.
Okay, well, at least, what's his real name?
John Ramos.
결국 크로스가 남자의 이름만 알아낸 사이 루스는 여자를 가족이 있는 곳으로 데려다 줍니다.
Alright, take it easy, kiddo. Yeah. Be good for your daddy, okay? I'm kidding, brother. See you soon.
Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you.
You may not believe me, Beverly, but your children were never in danger. Hurting innocent children. Just to satisfy some desire of your own. Honestly, people that selfish, they don't deserve to live.
Of course.
Tell me, why didn't you ever tell anybody what Helvig was doing?
알고 보니 이 여성은 헬빅의 인신매매를 알고서도 몰래 돕고 있던 것인데요.
You made cash payments to the man you knew was trafficking young girls for Helvig. That is why you rummaged through the safety deposit box. You wanted to make sure nothing incriminated you.
Please. My kids need me.
You don't deserve kids. And your kids don't deserve a piece of shit like you for a mother.
그 사이 존은 엄마인 듀버네이의 보고서를 건네받습니다.
Hey, Chujan. The doctor said you asked for a copy of the Duvernay case file?
Yeah,
Well, you can add this to your copy. Prints on the murder weapon came back. They're hers.
Was that a surprise? I thought she had everything on it but a bow.
I was hoping there was a chance it wasn't her. I mean, that's what I'd want if it was my family.
I appreciate the thought, Amy Lynn. But she's not my family.
존은 내심 엄마를 걱정하면서도 쉽게 용서할 수가 없었죠.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, how you holding up?
It's been a day. Still a day.
Zuko bought a ticket to Chicago. She leaves bright and early tomorrow.
Wow, already. Are we on her?
Yeah, coordinating with the CPD. They're gonna pick her up when she lands and they'll stay on her till we get there.
다음 날 시카고에 도착한 주코프. 역시 그녀는 평범한 의사는 아닌 듯 보였고 이후 라모스라는 용의자와 만납니다.
Mac, I got you a coffee.
God, I just want to look at you.
I wasn't expecting you until next month.
But you're gonna be mad.
Why?
Some cops came asking about you. They know I helped you get into the talk last year.
They know my name?
Just Ramos. But they know it's fake.
Get me a refill. She comes by, okay? I need to use the bathroom.
한편 이 모습을 감시하고 있는 크로스와 동료들.
He's gone. I can't see him.
Neither can I. Who's got the back?
Jankowski, anything happening?
No one in or out. I don't like it.
Send them. Send them.
Blue team, go. Repeat, blue team, go.
Bathroom's clear. Check the alley on Halstead.
잠시 후 불길한 예감은 적중하고 크로스는 도망치는 라모스를 발견하죠.
He's on the ground, heading south on Halston. Subway. Move,
Get out
move.
the way!
Police,
FBI,
move! Police!
Go.
Hold the train. Don't move.
FBI, everybody, move. Move.
Everybody remain calm. Police.
이들은 사람들을 진정시키며 라모스를 찾기 시작합니다.
Police officer, everything is fine. Just remain calm.
하지만 라모스의 모습은 보이질 않았는데요.
Nothing.
You went down. Had to. Flashlight.
That fucking rail's live.
No, he lived.
잠시 후 케일라가 라모스의 흔적을 찾아냅니다.
Cross. Here.
You know anything about the tunnels down here? You know where this goes?
We get homeless down here in the winter. But most of the doors in this section are sealed off.
It's not locked.
Story is there's a section of tunnel underneath for the gold line they never built.
그 시각 라모스는 자신의 은신처에서 물건들을 챙기고 있었는데요. 라모스가 수상한 벽화에 인사를 하는 사이 코앞까지 쫓아온 크로스 일행.
It's jammed. I think there's something blocking it.
Let me see if I can move it.
바로 그때
Is everybody okay? Jankowski, Williams, sound off.
Good. I'm good.
Taylor?
Okay.
All right, on me.
하지만 이미 라모스는 떠난 상태였는데요.
Clear.
Clear.
이때 케일라가 불에 타다 남은 서류를 발견합니다.
These are legal transcripts.
Damn.
Check out this weird shit.
그리고 의문의 벽화 앞에 마치 재단처럼 무언가가 쌓여 있는데요.
That looks like the Chaka piece.
이때 크로스는 이곳에서 다시 잘려진 세 개의 손가락을 발견하죠.
Hey, we finally got a real name for Two Fingers. Lincoln Esteban. 36, came illegally from Jalisco 25 years ago. Invisible for the past 11, so there's no real help there. But at least we can stop using nicknames.
Thank God for little mercies.
Yep.
Man, I'm checking.
Did you get anything on any of this?
I spoke to an expert at American U. The imagery has Central American elements, clearly, and La Luz means the light. So he reads it as a shrine to the goddess of light, but one that Esteban seems to have made up for himself.
It's kind of an odd deity for a man who murders and maims, no? And these were in the middle of the shrine. Is this some kind of sacrifice?
That would explain why Esteban takes fingers from his victims, but if they are a sacrifice, why would he send Helvig's fingers to Lance Duran? Something doesn't line up. I mean, Esteban, he preserved these. He kept them on the shrine.
Symbol, devotion, loyalty.
Shit. I bet they're his fingers.
Okay. Okay, so his fingers are a sacrifice, loyalty to his goddess.
And their fingers are punishment, vengeance on his victims.
그렇게 라모스의 본명이 링컨이라는 것과 그의 손가락이 발견된 사이 케일라가 발견했던 서류에서 수상한 숫자들이 나타납니다.
The scan showed a list of dates and numbers.
Yeah, I think I saw something earlier. Yeah, bring that with us.
Trucks, license plate.
No, flip it over. Look. See?
It matches the ledger.
Yeah, these 10-digit numbers, they have to be coordinates, right? Longitude and latitude.
그리고 숫자들은 어딘가를 가리키고 있었죠.
Harlingen, Texas. It's a border town. You could throw a rock from there to Mexico.
Is he tracking something over there, or is he planning to be there?
Either way, we gotta get to Texas.
It's been 6 hours. Maybe blowing up Esteban's hideout spooked him, so he decided to abort.
He'll show. He wrote everything in code. There's no reason for him to believe we cracked it.
Yeah. Another text to Elle? Is that a thing again?
I thought it was for a second. I was wrong.
Trying to keep a straight face, I'm sorry. Okay. Nature calls.
The nature or dick? Don't run.
그런데 이때 커다란 트럭 한 대가 들어오는데요. 잠시 후 어째선지 다른 사람이 트럭에 올라탑니다.
Y'all saying this? The guy that just hopped into the produce truck isn't the original driver.
Drivers switch out on long hauls all the time.
Without talking to each other? Something's off.
Well, I see your something's off and raise you a possible suspect.
Orange hoodie, camouflage pants, southwest corner of the line. Does that look like Esteban?
Yeah, that's him. What's he holding?
I got him.
Hey, stand down. Don't want to spook him. I'm headed his way.
마침내 링컨을 찾은 크로스는 조용히 그의 뒤를 잡으려 하는데요. 하지만 이때
DGS, drop your weapon! Don't you hold your fire! Stand down, Larson! The camera! Shut the camera! Stand down! What does that look like to you?
Looks like a fucking Glock!
The fucking camera! Why does one get your shit together?
Man, I need to help them!
Help who?
Them!
Go! Who the hell is shooting at us? Get him away from the car!
John, you see anything? No, not yet. But we'll be there in a minute. Hang tight.
잠시 후 트럭을 지키던 남자들이 총을 쏘기 시작하고 결국 트럭에 충격적인 내용물이 밝혀지죠.
Who's in the truck? There's kids in there. Let's go. Move it. Let's go.
Come on, get up! We have to go!
Oh, shit!
Alex, you good?
There's people on the truck.
You have to help them!
We gotta get to the produce truck. There's kids in there.
그렇게 불법 체류된 아이들을 되찾기 위한 추격전이 시작됩니다. 하지만 이때 위험을 직감한 운전수는 화물을 분리시킨 뒤 도망쳐버리고 말죠.
Está bien.
You okay?
Cuidado, cuidado.
Everybody okay? You okay?
그런데 이때
Good. There you go. I don't shoot it! Cut! Whoa. You'll die with me today if you don't let me go!
No problem. Now, if anything you want, just give me the boy.
John, you good?
Yes, sir. I'm good. Everybody's good. Everybody's gonna live today.
I want a car and some money.
Okay, we can make that happen. All right, we're gonna talk this through. I just need your name first. I'm Alex. What's yours?
What the hell?
Come on.
What did you do? We had this.
그때 어째선지 경찰 중 한 명이 방아쇠를 당겨버려 이들은 중요한 증언들을 들을 수 없게 돼버렸죠.
So what happens to him now?
Average stay at the Office of Refugee Resettlement is 152 days.
한편 조는 인질이 됐던 아이가 신경이 쓰입니다.
There you are.
What about him?
As a material witness, he'll be held by the U.S. Marshals until he's able to testify.
I want you next, Teddy. It's a real shit show out here.
It's your shit show.
Excuse me?
You heard me. You hold your fire back at the truck stop. Ain't no chase. There's no shootout. Nobody dead.
Hey, I did my job.
Yeah, I guarantee DHS use of force policies don't include shooting a man in the head as he's holding a minor hostage.
I saved that kid's life.
You endangered his life and killed a suspect who could have given us valuable information. Information I think you'd want.
The fuck is that supposed to be?
You know what it means. You know what I want to know is how a homeless guy from Chicago knows more about a truck full of smuggled children in your own backyard than you do. How? Explain that.
아마도 이 사건은 부패 경찰도 관련이 있어 보입니다. 잠시 후 링컨과 대화하려는 이들. 하지만
You have got to be kidding.
Agent Larson, who approved this?
Your boss. No hard feelings, though. Who wants to play good cop?
결국 찝찝한 상태에서 대화가 시작되는데요.
I'm Detective Alex Cross. This is Agent Kayla Craig. How you doing, Lincoln?
I have a right to counsel in my own language. Would you believe I'm a certified translator? Paparate pendejo.
I speak Nahuatl. Your ignorance is expected, Federale.
Okay, it's coming. In the meantime, while we wait, want to tell us why you're here?
I'm here for justice. What are you here for?
What's the connection between Richard Helvig and Lance Duran?
They both deserve to die.
Sounds like a confession to me.
How did you know there'd be children in the back of that truck?
They trained you well, didn't they? A slave to the law. If you were interested in what's right, you'd be helping me, not standing in my way.
Helping you what? Take pictures of illegal kids?
Those undocumented children are victims of your depravity, separated from their families, ferried from factory to factory like animals working in dangerous conditions.
링컨은 불법 체류된 아이들이 동물만도 못한 대우를 받고 있다 말합니다.
Helvig was missing 3 fingers. Is that what this is, Lincoln? Eye for an eye, finger for a finger.
Machines eat the fingers of children and spit out the food you eat. You want to disappear me, silence me, but it doesn't matter because I'm more than ready to die.
Why? Why are you ready to die, Lincoln?
I don't matter. The light will avenge us all.
Light, la luz.
이때 무언가가 떠오르는 크로스.
What is the light, Lincoln?
What does it say about Esteban that he created his own personal female deity?
Women are the first protectors, givers of life.
His fingers are a sacrifice, loyalty to his goddess.
La luz means the light, the goddess of light.
Just stay on your own side of the wall.
Hey. You need to leave.
Lincoln, who's the light?
Fuck you, Federale.
그렇게 링컨과의 대화는 끝이 나고 지쳐버린 크로스에게 존이 찾아옵니다.
So,
you headed up?
Yeah. Vega called. I gotta get back to D.C. Donna's grand jury convenes in less than a week. So if there's something out there that's gonna clear, it's gotta come out now.
You okay?
I've been better. Those kids.
Yeah.
Sugar, I'm gonna need a favor. It's a big one.
다음 날 존의 부탁대로 크로스는 불법 체류된 아이들이 있는 곳으로 향합니다.
Berto, este señor quiere hablar contigo.
Hi, Berto. I'm Alex Cross. My friend John asked me to come and check in on you.
Mi nombre es Alex Cross. Mi amigo John me pidió que viniera a ver cómo estabas.
Te vi.
I saw you with the police.
Yes, I am a police detective, yes. But more importantly, I'm a father. See, this is my son. His name is Damon. He loves video games. I mean, he loves them a little bit too much.
Es mi hijo Damon. Es la persona más inteligente que he conocido.
Ambos parecen agradables.
They both look very nice.
이때 크로스는 부모가 없어 구금될 위기에 처한 아이에게 특별한 제안을 하는데요.
Nada en el mundo.
If I can get approved, would you like to come and stay with me and my family for a while?
¿Te gustaría venir a quedarte conmigo y mi familia por un tiempo?
Yeah. All right.
그렇게 크로스가 존의 부탁을 들어주는 사이 존은 엄마에 대한 사건 기록을 계속 보고 있습니다.
Found anything?
Nah. It's a waste of my damn time. Witnesses said they saw LaDonna drive away after they heard shots. Forensics found traces of the victim's blood in her car. Her prints are all over the gun. I don't know why she's still playing.
Maybe she's not playing. Look, I know what you said, but there's a lot of folks out there talking about she's innocent.
A lot of folks think Tupac's alive and chilling in Cuba.
Something's not right about this, John.
Malika.
You know it's not right, or you wouldn't spend the night with this file.
존은 내심 엄마를 구해주고 싶었지만 확실한 증거가 있는 탓에 짜증이 나고 결국 얘기를 들어보라는 아내의 말에 폭발하고 마는데요.
Just because she left you easy does not mean I will. No matter how mad you get.
그렇게 아내의 설득에 존은 엄마인 라도나와 다시 얘기를 나누기로 합니다.
Thank you for coming to see me, John.
I'm here in the capacity of a detective investigating a homicide.
But that don't change what you are to me.
Just tell me what happened.
I walked out on my child. I wasn't ready for you. That's no excuse, but I wasn't. If I could have understood, could have made somebody like you, I'd have made a different choice. I know it looked like I only asked for you because I'm in a situation. I had to drag myself over broken glass to give that detective your name.
Where were you the night of the murder?
한편 크로스와 케일라는 링컨이 감시하던 경찰을 죽이고 도망쳤다는 소식을 전해 듣습니다. 그리고 도망친 링컨은 루스를 찾아가죠.
Luce. Found you.
다음 날 크로스와 케일라는 링컨이 죽이고 간 부패 경찰 라슨에 대해 추궁하는데요.
What I'm about to say is off the record and will be denied if it ever comes back on me. Larson was already on our radar.
For?
I'm not at liberty to say.
Well, we think he was protecting a smuggling ring, providing undocumented minors to employers. That about right?
Again, I'm not at liberty. Getting permission to read you two in? We'll have to wait.
Till when?
Until DHS finishes our investigation.
그렇게 두 사람이 사건의 심각성을 느끼는 사이 루스의 집에서 쉬고 있는 링컨.
He's still out.
Mm-hmm. Find anything on that flash drive he showed up with?
The amount of information he's gathered on Lance Duran and Crestbrook is unbelievable. Suspicious payments to government officials, including OSHA and fucking DHS. The paper trail he gathered, it proves that Crestbrook knowingly and systematically used child labor.
한편 이제 화면은 듀랜드가 운영하는 크레스터브룩 공장을 비추는데요.
Llega hoy, ¿no?
¿Qué dijiste?
Llega hoy, tu hermano Chucho, ¿no? Llega hoy.
Espero que sí. Me mandó un texto justo después de que cruzó, pero nada más.
¡Todos! ¡Por la puerta de atrás! ¡Muévete! ¡Muévete! ¡Adentro del camión! ¡Todos! ¡Dios mío! ¡Rápido! ¡Adentro!
갑자기 관리자가 아이들을 대피시킨 것은 다름 아닌 단속이 나왔기 때문이었습니다.
Hey, ven acá. Ahora. Identificación. Antonio Martínez, ¿eres tú? Dice aquí que tienes 43 años, Antonio. You look 43 to you, Brian? Shut down the run, and someone call a Crestbrook supervisor.
역시나 듀랜드는 불법 체류된 아이들을 강제로 노동시키고 있었죠.
DHS stonewalled us.
Oh, yeah, I heard. And trust, I already turned the heat up, and I mean all the way up. But you two interrogated Esteban, so what do we know?
Well, he's intelligent.
Yeah, he's well-spoken. He's detail-oriented.
He worships a female deity.
Did the conversation reveal anything at all that might give us a clue as to where he would go next?
Not that I can see yet, but we might be able to get some insight into where he's been.
그런데 이때 크로스가 부탁한 자료가 도착합니다.
What's all that?
Cold cases where victims have had their fingers removed.
Happens more often than you think.
How cold we talking?
Most of them past 2 years, but there is one in there that goes back more than a decade.
Oh, give me the oldie. The amputation's messier, less precise, like it was...
Learning on the job.
And who's the Vic?
Sheriff Mitch Morgan of Danton County. Missing 3 fingers. It was 12 years ago in Hollywood, Florida.
How does a sheriff from Iowa end up getting killed in Florida?
이때 플로리다란 단어를 들은 크로스가 무언가를 떠올리죠.
He likes to co-ed.
The light will avenge us all.
What?
Hollywood, Florida. I've seen that before.
The Blooms Casino, Hollywood, Florida?
So, if Morgan was his first kill, and he saved that chip,
Well, the casino could be a place where he goes when threatened. It's kind of like a...
like a holy ground.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have the jet, please?
Yeah.
Yo, we wrap this up quick and find some time for me to whoop your ass in blackjack.
Sorry, I'm gonna sit this one out. I found a lead on that other investigation.
You need backup?
No, I got backup. I'll let you know if it pans out.
그렇게 크로스가 링컨에 대한 단서를 잡은 사이 링컨은 여전히 루스의 집에 있었는데요.
There's a memory in every bite.
How did you find us?
링컨은 인신매매범들을 처단하고 있는 루스에 대해 알게 됐고 이에 그녀를 숭배하다 2년 전 드디어 루스가 살고 있는 곳을 알게 됐다고 말합니다.
So you knew about me for 2 years? But you're just showing up now?
I stayed away on purpose, but as soon as the authorities were on me, I knew my part in this was over. My way, trying to take Crestbrook down through the courts didn't work, but yours will. So I figured you should have all the dirt I found. If it helps you take him down, I'll consider my part a job well done.
It will. I can destroy Lance Duran. But with the evidence you gave me on this drive, I can destroy the whole fucking system.
You said you were done. What does that mean?
I disappear.
To go where?
I don't know.
You got family?
No.
Money?
No.
We're gonna help you. We'll get you a first-class plane ticket. Enough money to live comfortably in a beautiful, warm country with no extradition policies.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It'll only take us a few days, right? You can't stay here, but we'll put you up in a nice hotel.
한편 크로스는 얼마 전 데려오기로 한 베르토를 맞을 준비를 하는데요.
All right, kids, he's here. Hola, Berto. Come in, please, please. This is the boy I told you about.
Okay, we're attesting that you are taking custody and that you will make certain that he attends all immigration proceedings, including potential notification of deportation. Thank you. To Nueva Casa. Good luck.
그렇게 크로스에게 가족이 한 명 더 생겼습니다.
¿Te gustaría desayunar? What? Am I the only one who studied?
다행히 아이들도 베르토를 반갑게 맞이하고 그 사이 루스는 링컨을 카지노의 호텔로 데리고 오는데요.
No, the beluga fish eggs. I'm serious. You didn't have to do this.
Lincoln, you deserve this. You deserve more.
Honestly, I already have what I really wanted. To meet you. The light. I didn't think it would happen.
You talk about me like I'm a hero.
You don't feel like one?
Sometimes. But most of the time, I feel like a weapon. An arrow aimed at Crestbrook since my mother's death.
No, Luz. You're so much more than that. You're special.
이때 링컨은 루스에게 맹목적인 충성심을 비추며 광기를 보이죠.
You've already done the impossible. You're halfway to the unimaginable. You're chosen. That's how I know you'll finish this.
I gotta take a picture of you for your passport.
그렇게 링컨이 도망칠 준비를 하는 사이 크로스와 케일라가 카지노에 도착합니다.
You decided on a new name?
I want to use my real name. The one my mother gave me.
What is it?
Gustavo.
I like it. What's up?
You know those cops that Lincoln told us about? They just checked in downstairs.
잠시 후 케일라는 보안실을 찾아 CCTV를 확인하려는데요.
This is Special Agent Craig from the FBI.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. She's looking for this guy.
If you send it to me, I could do a facial recognition search. He's been here. We'll find him.
그 시각 변장을 하고 나타난 루스는 카지노에 있는 크로스를 발견하죠.
You don't mind if I join the party?
Better be sharp. House is cleaning up tonight.
What are you in town for? Yeah, you?
It's a bachelor party.
Oh.
You?
You're R&R. And let me tell you, I've earned it.
Amen to that.
그렇게 카지노에서 각자 하루를 보낸 두 사람은 정보 교환에 나섭니다.
Any luck with the facial recognition?
No, not yet. But we did get 2 upskirt photo takers and a granny that likes to palm other people's chips. So, great stuff.
It's this guy's profile. We've been saying he's out for revenge for something personal, right?
Yeah.
But remember what he said at the interrogation? He said, our flesh and bones. The light will avenge us all. I keep coming back to that. It's not me, not mine, us. He's talking about justice, not revenge.
Okay, so he's a vigilante.
Right. But that's not the profile we've been building. I mean, Lincoln, he talks like a vigilante who's out for justice, but the murders, those are straight revenge.
Yeah, okay. So you're gonna build that fire. I'm gonna throw some fuel on it. Reluctantly, because I know that he's involved somehow. But the Helvig murder was orchestrated.
Yeah.
And I'm talking about months of planning, months that Esteban spent tracking trucking routes, not to mention years of lawsuits. But he shows up, finally ready to catch these motherfuckers red-handed, but he shows up with a camera.
So you were just gonna keep this little doubt morsel all to yourself, huh?
I don't know, maybe, yeah. Like, everything says that it's him, but...
Your gut says something's off.
And I keep thinking about what you said when we were talking to him. You said, who's the light? Maybe you're onto something there. What if the light is...
A person? Yeah, I've been wondering that too. Could be a mentor, an accomplice.
a product of a lonely, unstable mind.
서서히 진실에 다가서기 시작하는 두 사람.
I'm gonna go check the files again. See if there's anything we missed.
Okay, go get him, Tiger. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I've never said that before, and I don't know why.
All right.
You should go. I'm good.
All right. Tiger.
I'm gonna drink. Leave me alone.
그렇게 시간은 흐르고 다음 날 로스는 위험 요소인 링컨을 제거해야 한다는 동료들의 말을 듣습니다.
How much money is in the account?
You're not listening to me.
No, I am listening to you, and you are wrong. He's not a risk.
The feds are in the casino right now.
They're too late. He's gonna be gone in a matter of hours. They're not gonna find him.
Luz, they have already found him. 3 times they found him now. No, Chicago, Texas, and now They'll find him, only this time he'll have something to tell.
He would never. He loves me.
You've known him less than 72 hours. Do you hear yourself?
If he dies now, the authorities will take their victory and move on. If they take him alive...
Stop it!
There is no stopping. You started this. You said no one's life is more important than the mission. That was your rule, and now you want to break it? We can't let you.
한편 밤샘 작업 끝에 링컨이 CCTV에 잡히는데요.
In the haystack. That's your guy Lincoln in the hat.
Rewind it.
Sure thing.
Further.
But you saw the guy.
Just keep going. Stop. Zoom in. No, not on Lincoln. The woman who just tipped the server.
Who the hell's that?
I met her yesterday at the blackjack table.
Girl's got moves. Did she know who you were?
Looking back, I think she did.
Now that we know what we're looking for, this woman's been all over the place. We got her on camera going back at least 2 years.
That's great, Bill.
Do we have a name?
That we don't know. She's not a rewards member, nor can we find any record of her using a credit card. But you can ask her yourself.
She's back?
On the casino floor as we speak.
Why didn't you say that?
그 시각 링컨에 대해 고민하던 루스는 자신을 찾는 크로스 일행을 발견하고
Thank you.
Is there another way out of here?
Just a service entrance, but it's employees only.
They got eyes on her. This way.
Go, go.
Kitchen is clear. Don't let her out of your sight.
Yes. Hey, you got me?
Got you.
Thank you.
Anyone see a woman come through here? Long brown hair, maybe this tall.
I think she went out the loading dock.
Go.
Shit!
그렇게 크로스가 허탕을 치는 사이 링컨을 찾은 루스.
I was worried about you.
Nothing to be worried about. I got everything. Money, plane tickets.
What's wrong, Luce?
링컨은 어딘가 슬퍼 보이는 루스에게 다가가지만
Probably not. I'm sorry.
I see it now, Luz. I understand.
Quizás hay otra manera.
Tiene que ser así. No podemos dejar que te capture. Así que no puedes ser la que lo hace. Tienes que creer que fui yo. Para que me recuerdes.
결국 링컨은 대의를 위해 자신을 희생합니다.
We got a room number.
Well, what, she's a guest here?
I can't confirm that yet, but a housekeeper saw her go into our presidential suite.
Clear.
잠시 후 크로스 일행은 피를 흘린 채 쓰러져 있는 링컨을 발견하죠. 과연 크로스는 이 복잡한 사건의 진실을 밝혀낼 수 있을까요? 그렇게 링컨의 희생으로 시간을 번 루스는 크로스에게서 도망치게 되고 잠시 후 크로스는 링컨의 부검 결과를 듣습니다.
Anything good from the autopsy?
Bottom line is, Hondo says Esteban's death is consistent with suicide. Pending further investigation due to suspicious circumstances.
It's hard to fake a suicide by gunshot. You got prints on the gun, GSR, bullet trajectory, it all fits.
I know, but it doesn't feel right. Esteban was angry, not suicidal.
And why would the mystery woman from the casino want to put him down?
I don't know, but check this. He has a tattoo of her on his chest. The way it's designed makes me think she was the light he talked about. And look at her face. Isn't that the same lady he painted on the subway tunnel in Chicago?
That makes even less sense. That would mean both of them were trying to put down Lance Duran. Why would you want to kill somebody from your same team?
Maybe Kayla and I got too close.
And we have no idea who this woman is?
No. But you know who might? Lance Duran.
Man, don't even get me started on him. Out here using kids as slave labor.
His janky ass been lying to us since day one.
I know you pressed him before, but he didn't crack.
This motherfucker about to get a full dose today.
다음 날 존에게 호언장담을 한 크로스는 토크쇼에서 자신의 의혹에 대한 해명을 하고 있는 랜스 듀랜드를 찾아갑니다.
Yes, this is regarding the revelations that NIC Industries has used undocumented migrant children to work in their plants and fields. And what did you say? I mean, I'd love to know.
I did not know, but that is not an excuse. I would like to take a moment right now in front of the studio audience, and I want you to know that I take full responsibility for this, that I will accept any punishment that is coming my way. No, honestly, I appreciate that, but
듀랜드는 뻔뻔하게도 자신의 잘못을 진심으로 뉘우치기는커녕 오히려 이미지 메이킹에 사용하는 모습을 보이는데요.
That was impressive.
Thank you.
We come across professional liars every single day. You might be the best I've seen.
No, not better than Ramsey.
Oh, yep. Okay, you.
Yeah.
Second best.
Yes.
Second.
Do you have an update, or are you just trolling me?
Just a question. Do you recognize this woman?
Should I?
Don't answer a question with a question. People hate that.
We have reason to believe she may be our killer.
Is there anything that Chris Brook can do to make you, more effective at your job?
Listen, I don't work for Crestbrook.
No, you work for Metro PD, right? But what's your current assignment? It is to find and stop the person who's trying to kill who? Me, Lance Durand, the CEO of Crestbrook Industries.
If you want us to be more effective at our job, start with the truth.
You want me to just list my sins?
No, that would take too long. Just give us the big ones, human trafficking, the kind that would make someone want to kill you.
Alex, I know.
Detective Cross.
Feel free to call me Lance or, sir. Look, I know these recent allegations have given you...
Allegations? We saw a truckload of kids headed to one of your plants.
That's fine, okay? That's fine. You can just stay there. But you have to understand something. I asked for the best, and they gave me you two. I'm gonna assume that you put your personal grievances to the side and just do your job. You have a suspect, right? Why don't you go find her?
We are going to find her, and we are going to save you. But just know this, when we're done with that, I'll be pointed at you, sir.
그렇게 듀랜드에게 경고를 날린 후 크로스는 본격적으로 루스를 쫓으려 하죠.
Ladies and gentlemen, our manhunt is now a woman hunt. I want you all to meet our brand new prime suspect. We believe she killed Helvig in Hartsfeld, is targeting Lance Durand, and was involved in the death of Lincoln Esteban.
So what, she forced him to kill himself?
She is the light that Esteban was talking about. He worshipped her.
Still don't get how we're so sure she's the killer and not him.
The more we learn about Esteban, the less he fit the profile. He wanted justice. Our suspect is bent on revenge. The kills are brutal, up close, and include torture. That kind of rage means it's personal.
Exactly. Now, something terrible happened to her or someone she loves, and she blames Lance Durand.
이때 동료 중 한 명이 링컨이 스크랩해뒀던 기사 하나를 알려주는데요.
About a woman that died of an apparent overdose. The coroner ruled it as suspicious. Danton, Iowa. Victim was a Gabriela Porras. She worked as a doctor at a Crestbrook-funded clinic. Now, I ruled this out because there was no connection between her and Esteban. What if our new suspect has a connection?
Nice work. All right. You and Hardy dig into her, find out who loved her.
그때 존 역시 가브리엘라 포라스라는 여성이 듀랜드를 여러 번 고소했었다는 기록을 찾아냅니다.
Did you get a copy of that lawsuit in its entirety?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh, got an obit. Porras was survived by her 6-year-old daughter. There's no name. Think our suspect could be in her mid-30s?
Sounds right to me.
알고 보니 의문의 사고를 당한 가브리엘라는 루스의 어머니였던 것이었죠.
I was able to find 4 female Porrazes in the Danton County, Iowa elementary schools in the time period that we need. But there was only one named Luz.
Luz, Porras. Luz as in the light in Spanish Luz?
That's right. This is her right here, Miss Waller's first grade class.
Oh, that's gotta be her. You know where she is right now?
That's the thing. The Luz Porraz trail ends shortly after this photo was taken. which is also around the time of her mother's death.
And yet you're far too happy for a man with a dead end.
Bingo. Because our little Luz has an auntie, Guadalupe Clara Porras. She also disappeared around that time. I was able to run a facial recognition based on how she looked 27 years ago. And I got a match on a DMV photo. Meet Claire Matthews.
Of Sunrise, Florida.
Hmm? And our little Luz is now Rebecca Matthews.
How close is Sunrise to Hollywood, Florida?
It's the next town over. And get this, that casino, 10-minute drive from their house.
We headed back to Florida.
Yeah, we're gonna need a full workup on Rebecca Matthews by the time we land.
I'm on it.
한편 존은 엄마인 라도나가 엮인 살인사건 현장을 찾아가 자세히 살펴봅니다.
With TK in the wind, we got our work cut out for us. What do you want to show me?
I went back through my notes like you asked. Report says 5 shots fired. Listen to this. I checked the shot seeker audio from the night of Raymond Price's murder. At 11:15 p.m., it catches the gun firing. How many shots you hear?
6.
But they only found 5 bullets. Pulled 2 out of Price and 3 out of the walls. Here, here, and here. Tex never found any other slugs.
Shit.
이때 6번째 총알의 흔적이 사라졌다는 말에 존은 핏자국을 유심히 관찰하는데요.
What if the bullet found another way out? Take a look at this. It's been bothering me, but now it's starting to make some sense. All right, you got a trail of blood that leads to here, right? Where a pool's underneath Price's body right there.
Right. Shot there, moved there, died there.
So why is this area clean? I mean, the guy's bleeding out all along here, and he stops bleeding for this bit and drops dead right there?
We got a witness out there walking around with our 6th bullet in him.
If he's still alive, he can tell us who did the shooting.
그 시각 플로리다에 도착한 크로스와 케일라는 루스와 만나기 전 그녀의 심리를 분석해 봅니다.
She's female. He's avenging her mother's death. Gets her first taste of blood and then goes silent. For 10 years. A serial killer with that kind of patience, that kind of discipline. I've never seen anything like it.
That's because killing isn't a compulsion for her. It's a mission. She wasn't just patient, she was preparing. It's obsessively deliberate. That's why she doesn't make mistakes.
Everybody makes mistakes sooner or later. We just need to find the right button and press it.
Well, let's go press some buttons.
그렇게 루스에 대한 예상 질문들을 생각하며 두 사람은 루스의 집을 찾아가는데요.
Luz Porras?
No one here by that name?
Right. Rebecca Matthews. I'm Agent Craig, FBI. This is Detective Cross. You met him at the blackjack table. We'd hoped to speak with you, but you eluded casino security and ran.
It's not ringing a bell.
And we'd like to speak with you now.
About what exactly?
Lincoln Esteban.
Should I know who that is?
And we know that you were in the penthouse with him when he died. We also know that you killed Mitch Morgan and Richard Helvig.
I'm so sorry. I don't know any of those people.
We know why you're after them, especially Lance Durand. What he's done, what he's still doing for migrant children.
You're not here to make friends, so are you going to arrest me?
Well, you know we can't do that.
Then you should leave.
You're not going to be able to stop Lance Durand on your own. Not anymore. I think we can help each other.
Great.
잠시 후 루스는 크로스를 내쫓았지만 내심 그와 만나 대화하고 싶어 했고 이에 동료들은 반대 의사를 내비치죠.
You can't do it.
I'm not asking.
Luz, we're on your side. But acting rashly now won't bring Lincoln
Don't
back.
talk about him.
결국 루스는 크로스를 만나 그가 어떤 생각을 가지고 있는지 얘기해보기로 합니다.
Uncle Nearest, 1856. And tequila and soda with lime. Anything else?
We're good. You ordered for me.
Yeah.
Coming out a little strong there.
But did I get it right? To Gabriela.
No one called her that.
But it is connected to her, isn't it? Part of the ritual. I mean, you ordered tequila and soda. guessing that's her favorite drink. And then you play, was it 3 and 16 on the roulette table, her birthday, and you spin the wheel, you walk away, and just like clockwork, a few days later, somebody ends up dead, right?
생각보다 자신에 대해 많은 걸 알고 있는 크로스를 보며 루스는 당황해하는데요.
And what about you, detective? Why are you here?
Same reason as you. I want justice.
And what would you consider justice for a mass murderer, a trafficker of children?
And the person you think killed your mother.
I know he did.
Then why is he still alive? You were close enough to do it.
No. No, me? No. But I would guess. And then they learned that her death was part of a larger pattern. A depraved machine built to enrich Lance Duran and his cronies and to treat innocent people, like those children and my mother, as collateral damage.
Lincoln Esteban was collateral damage. But it wasn't Crestbrook who sacrificed him, was it? No. It was you.
I didn't know him.
Yes, you did. And I think that you loved him. And he worshipped you.
You know, it must be so hard for you. Sign up to fight for truth and justice just to wind up working for a monster.
루스가 불편한 진실을 말하자 크로스는 굳은 표정으로 루스의 눈앞에서 마이크를 끄기로 하죠.
Mike's off. Let's talk. I believe Lance Duran is entirely capable of killing your mom. And I bet she's not the only body he left behind. That man deserves everything you planned for him.
He deserves to be watered in blood, just like his prosperity scene. And what you need to do is get out of the way.
Don't lose. At any moment now, we'll gather material evidence linking you to a killing. And in the meantime, we are on you 24/7. You won't get within a mile of Lance Duran. That dream in your head, it died the moment we knocked on your door. But you can still stop him. If you have evidence, give it to me. We'll take him down the right way.
Come on, detective. I know how that goes. He's gonna get a slap on the wrist and a fine that won't even amount to what he spends on a private jet to Davos.
I won't let that
You
happen.
can't help but let that happen. Do you know what that badge in your pocket makes you? An errand boy for the landowners.
하지만 루스는 끝내 크로스를 믿지 못하며 돌아서고 곧바로 애시퍼드라는 국회의원을 찾아갑니다.
I just have to say thank you so much for meeting with me, Senator Ashford.
Of course. I admire your organization quite a bit.
But I brought all the details for the scholarship we're starting in your parents' name.
Well, they deserve it. It's been 10 years now. I'm still trying to live up to their example.
Oh, I bet. She was also an investor in Crestbrook Industries, is that right?
Well, back then it was Crestbrook Farms, but yeah, she was an early investor.
Which is why she should have recused herself from the many lawsuits against Crestbrook. But instead, she made sure they all came to her courtroom so that she could dismiss them and protect her investment.
What is this? It's an outrageous accusation.
43 lawsuits, all dismissed by your mother. Human trafficking, unsafe work conditions, underage employees, wrongful death. Your mother helped Crestbrook Farms become Crestbrook Industries, and she did so at the expense of children.
Can't be true.
But it is. And now Lance Duran wants to take his criminal operation on the road. Prosperity Seed will feed the world. Sure it will. On the backs of child laborers.
My mother couldn't have known this.
The blood money your mother got for protecting Crestbrook bought your education, your first car, your weddings, both of them, and funded every single campaign you have ever ran.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Your old housekeeper said your mom left you more than an inheritance. She left you her leverage.
한편 루스와의 협상이 불발된 채 경찰서로 돌아온 크로스는 자신을 찾아온 FBI 요원들을 만나는데요.
And from what I'm hearing, you're coming at Lance Duran like he's the one we're after. No. You're done.
알고 보니 듀랜드는 FBI를 조종할 정도로 강한 권력을 휘두르고 있었죠.
Assistant Director McElhannon, this is a joint investigation, right? Well, Cross doesn't work for you. He works for the Metropolitan PD. Now, you can do whatever you want with your personnel, but when it comes to decisions about my people, you check with me.
This is way above your pay grade, Lieutenant.
Does it fit within my purview?
Cross isn't going anywhere. He's the reason you even know who you're after. No one here is more motivated to catch her than him.
그렇게 청장 덕분에 위기를 넘긴 크로스는 잠시 후 자신을 몰래 찾는 FBI 요원을 만나는데요.
Yes, sir. A few days back, you guys asked me to track down the full complaint filed by Gabriela Perez.
Yeah. Did you ever find it?
Still working on that.
그는 부패한 FBI 요원들과 달리 크로스에게 중요한 정보를 전해줍니다.
Out there. I've been seeing somebody. She's Capitol Police. Other day, she gets a call into Senator Pete Ashford's office. Said he had a break-in. The name Ashford rang a bell.
Like Judge Olivia Ashford from Esteban's papers.
Mm-hmm.
Is she related to the senator?
His mother. I did some digging. Judge Ashford spent most of her career in Iowa, where she ruled on several Crestbrook cases.
루스가 애시퍼드를 찾아가 협박을 했다는 말을 들은 크로스는 그가 사건과 관련이 있다는 것을 직감적으로 깨닫습니다.
Excellent work, Agent Goff. Thank you.
Thanks, Detective.
곧바로 애시퍼드를 찾는 크로스.
I appreciate you taking the time to see me, Senator.
Not the best day for a visit. When you said you had information about her?
Yes. Is this the woman who came to see you?
Who is she?
Her name is Luz Perez. She's a suspect in multiple murder cases.
Jesus.
Do you know what she wanted from you?
Yeah. She took a picture from behind this portrait. It was a photo of my mom with Lance and a bunch of his cronies.
Did she tell you what your mom's connected to?
I worship my mom. And this woman, Luz, told me that she was part of a conspiracy to cover up criminal acts perpetrated by Crestbrook Industries. She threw out dozens of lawsuits, made sure damning evidence against the company never saw the light of day.
You believe what Miss Perez told you?
Yeah, she had the lawsuits. After she left, I looked into it and I found just more, much more.
Any of these boxes have the case filed by Gabriela Perez?
This one.
이때 크로스는 그의 엄마가 루시의 엄마 가브리엘라와 관련된 소송 역시 관리했다는 말을 듣죠.
Off the money that everybody that was in that picture got rich. Lance Durand, Richard Helvig, Paul Hartsfield, and by inheritance, fucking me.
Is that why you took 6 hours to call the police after Luz Perez left your office? Guilt?
She said she'd kill me if I called any sooner. But yeah, guilt.
This is the lawsuit that Gabriela Perez filed. Is this the original complaint?
Yeah.
그렇게 또 다른 연루자들이 드러납니다.
Akbar, I need you to look up some names for me. Griffith Stoker, Jelani Amadou, Senator.
애시퍼드에게서 얻은 기록을 토대로 크로스는 루시의 타겟들을 추가로 찾아내는데요.
And a partridge in a pear tree. What is all this?
These are defendants in Gabriela Perez's lawsuit against Crestbrook. Everyone with a D beside their name. Now, you'll notice some familiar faces, along with some significant overlap from Lincoln Esteban's records. What do we know on the new faces?
Well, Paul Hartsfield was the Deputy Assistant Secretary in the Department of Labor. And given recent events, we believe that he may have been tipping off Crestbrook to upcoming inspections.
Brent Turlock was an MD. Looks like he took over Gabriela Perez's clinic after her death to become a consultant at Crestbrook. Guy ends up doubling his income overnight.
Sounds like a payoff to me.
Exactly.
조사를 할수록 이들은 듀랜드와 연관돼 엄청난 돈을 벌었던 사람들이었죠.
We believe Luz Perez is singling out the defendants for special treatment.
She's making it personal because in her mind, they're the most culpable for her mother's death.
Man, look at the dates.
Except for when Sheriff Morgan corners Luce, almost all of her personal kills were recent. She's just blazing through victims now.
And thanks to Senator Ashford, we now have a kill list.
The 10 defendants. How many are still alive?
5, including Lance Duran and the head of his security, Nat Gankars.
There has to be an order, plan. I just can't see what it is yet.
그래도 큰 수확은 있었기에 이들은 사진 속 타겟들에게 위험을 알리기 시작합니다.
Keep them alive.
Okay, good to hear. Thank you for everything.
Nuri Muhindra?
Yes.
We have reason to believe your life is in immediate danger. Is there somewhere private we can talk?
Mr. Stoker, we need to speak to you.
그 시각 젤란이라는 남자에게 위험을 알리러 온 크로스.
You did beautiful work, George. Thank you, Mr. Jelani.
Jelani.
Oh, hey. Cross, my best friend gets married tomorrow, so whatever you have to say can wait.
Oh, congratulations, but this most definitely cannot wait.
What's this about?
Do you remember Gabriela Perez?
No.
She sued Crestbook, named you, Lance Duran, Richard Helvig. You know all the names, but I have a new name for you, one you might not recognize. Luz Perez.
Who is that?
Gabriela's daughter. She's killing everyone on that list of defendants, and there's only a few names left now, Jelani. Yours is one of them. So now might be a good time, maybe the only time, to tell me everything you know and help me help you.
Okay, listen to me. Nothing is gonna happen to you. This woman's gonna be in your rear view before you even start your honeymoon. I promise you that.
Here's a statistic for you. 50% of your buddy's co-defendants are dead. 50. Do the math.
다음 날 크로스는 링컨에 대한 정보를 추가로 알게 되는데요.
Yeah, before Esteban became a muckraker, he was a street artist. Went by Chaka.
그는 루스의 초상화를 비롯해 몇 가지 역사와 전설에 관한 그림도 그렸던 것으로 밝혀집니다.
What's with the Chicano art?
Yeah, does any of this mean something to you?
Overall style feels very Azteca.
Mm-hmm. Where you from again?
Guatemala. But I took a pre-Columbian class in college.
Can you fill in some of the blanks for me?
Bro, I barely got a B- in that class. But I'm still in touch with Dr. Gonzalez. You know what? I'll send you his info.
Please.
You get some?
A line on the second victim of the Duvernay case. Milo Sotovijal, age 35, saw an off-the-books doctor for a bullet wound just after midnight.
It's 45 minutes after the murder.
Mm-hmm. And I got a tip on his current. You want to ride?
Go. Gotta go check out Vega's professor.
잠시 후 존과 동료는 여섯 번째 총알이 몸에 박힌 것으로 의심되는 남자의 집을 찾아가는데요.
Milo.
The fuck are you?
Detective Vega, MPD. Who shot you?
I wouldn't do that. Hands in the open. And I'm guessing you can't risk going to see a doctor. You give us a name. We come back here with antibiotics. No questions asked. No name. You have to take your chances going to the hospital, providing you make it that long.
Put the guns away and then we can talk.
You first.
Who shot you? Was it TK?
I don't know who the fuck that is. We were doing business and that motherfucker tried to rob us. I heard my buddy call him Night Train. That was right before he started shooting.
그렇게 나이트 트레인이라는 이름이 나오는 사이 크로스는 링컨이 소유했던 카드들을 가지고 역사학자를 만납니다.
What do you see here? And you notice a resemblance to the art that you showed me, right?
It's damn near identical.
Yes, and that makes me very curious because this deck is obscure almost to the point of being forgotten. It reflects a very old story born from the resistance to la conquista. A legend named La Niña de las Flores.
크로스는 남자에게서 한 소녀의 전설 이야기를 듣게 되고 그것이 루스가 벌인 사건들과 비슷하다는 것을 눈치채는데요.
Her victims are all a part of this story.
To her, the defendants in her mother's lawsuit are the demons she must defeat in order to save her people. Her first victim, Sheriff Morgan, he's a dog guarding the underworld. Dr. Turlock, he's a medicine man. El Curandero. Helvig, he's a sinner. I believe Paul Hartsfield, the crooked labor secretary, is the parasite. Nat Gankars, they're the guard, which means that Lance Durand is the crown of fingers.
Nasty.
Absolutely. But it's also a pattern.
루스는 무차별적으로 살인을 한 것이 아니었죠.
She's killing them in the order of the story.
Exactly. Which means that if we match these three, El Arquitecto, El Martillo, and La Boca, we'll find out who her next target is.
한편 존은 엄마인 라도나를 찾아가 추가로 알게 된 내용에 대해 물어보려 하는데요.
How you feeling today?
Things are looking up. We got a second victim. Put a name to the shooter.
No way.
Well, it's a street name, but we were hoping you could recognize it.
If I do, I'll tell you everything I can, John.
Night Train. That mean anything?
I wish I could say yes. But I've never heard that name. I'm sorry. You bring those photos we talked about?
LaDonna, I got a lot of work. Maybe another time.
No, come on now. You gotta have something. Let me see a little bit of what I missed.
존은 엄마의 부탁으로 자신의 어렸을 적 사진을 보여주기로 합니다.
What are you supposed to be there?
I'm a cowboy.
그렇게 존은 조금씩 엄마에게 마음을 열고 있었죠.
Hey, you think I could see some more pictures? I mean, if it's not too much.
You sure about that?
I mean, after this little bit, I've gotten to see some of who you are. I've been blown away. I think I could know you a little bit better.
First, let's find this night train.
한편 계속된 조사 끝에 크로스는 루스의 다음 범행 상대를 알아내는 데 성공합니다.
Akbar pointed out Griffith Stoker's a lobbyist and a former lawyer. He's gotta be Laboka, the mouthpiece. And Nuri Mohindra, she runs the machine that keeps the kids in line, the hammer.
Which would make Jelani the architect.
The one who dreamed up the entire child labor scheme.
That makes him next on the kill list, right? What time's that wedding?
그 시각 젤라니는 듀랜드의 진행 속에 결혼식을 하고 있었는데요.
Says, cheers, y'all.
Baby, what did you do?
그때 결혼식장에 도착하는 크로스와 케일라.
Agent Goff, we need to get in there.
No, that's a negative. You two have been specifically barred from the event.
Call Roy.
The order comes straight from Director Hammett. You're not to have any contact with Lance Durant.
Fuck Durant. The groom is the next on the killer's list.
잠시 후 젤라니가 충판을 벌이던 그때
He's hurt! Someone call a doctor!
Move. She's in there.
그렇게 결혼식장은 전쟁터로 돌변하고 마는데요.
She's right there. Move. We can't wait. She's getting away.
But we have no cover.
결국 저격수의 존재 때문에 크로스는 눈앞에서 루스를 놓치고 맙니다. 하지만 하지만 루스는 이미 도망친 뒤였고 사진과 손가락만이 남았죠.
Alex.
What you got?
They in the wind, but they left a bag of goodies. Looks like Jelani's fingers. And a photo with Durand, Helvig, Jelani. Shit, all of them. Maybe a decade or two old.
I get the fingers, but why the picture?
I don't think she left it for us.
Card says for Nuri.
결국 또 다른 희생자가 예고되자 크로스는 남은 사람들을 안전한 곳에 모으기로 하는데요.
After Amadou's execution, We believe there are 4 remaining targets on Luz Perez's hit list. As we have failed to keep the other victims safe, we've sequestered the 4 remaining targets at Camp Harrison Army Base.
Chief, I think it's time for Metro to take OPCON. I don't believe that my team has demonstrated the effectiveness needed for this investigation.
Well, I can't argue with that. Detective Cross, I'm giving you the ball. What's next?
그 시각 듀랜드와 만나는 이들.
All back together, just like the good old days.
Nothing about this is like the old days, Lance.
Just because we're all imprisoned here together, it doesn't mean we need to pretend to be friends.
Thank God you said that. So look, we got the same text message you guys did today.
Confess your crimes or pay $20 million. I believe we all understand the implied or else.
We're gonna keep our money. We're not gonna confess to a single thing. And we're gonna sit behind these fine Americans with submachine guns, and we are gonna be fucking safe.
한편 크로스와 케일라는 루스가 남긴 사진에 대해 추리를 해보는데요.
They've been real quick.
You notice something about this?
It's the whole crew. It doesn't tell us anything we don't already know.
Right, and Luce would know that. So why would she leave it there for us to find?
Well, maybe the question is, what does it tell Nuri? Or any of the survivors? What's the message for them?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure she wants us to deliver it to them, which means we shouldn't do that for her.
잠시 후 두 사람은 듀랜드 일행이 있는 군사기지 안으로 들어가 현재 상황에 대해 전달받습니다.
What do we have on the extortion?
Well, before Marco could jam the signal, they each received another text.
One of you is going to get a call from Luz Perez at 4 p.m. My guess is she wants an answer.
None of us are giving her anything.
Anyone else?
We have nothing to say. There's no crime, so there's no need to confess.
And tell me about this.
20-some years ago. What was the occasion?
To get together?
We had lots of dinners back then.
It's a warning. She knows we were there.
Warning you about what?
Nuri.
Look, we know everyone on Luz's list played a role. We know about the child labor. I think she wants you to answer to more than that.
None of us have anything to say.
All right. Play it that way.
이때 안절부절 못하는 모습을 보이는 누리.
Nuri's the weak link. I think that Luz's call will really get her to open up.
그 시각 루스는 무언가를 준비하는데요.
Crap, it's mine.
Remember what I told you. Do not antagonize her. We need her talking as long as possible. 2 minutes at least for the trace.
Hello, Miss Perez, where we are all gathered together.
Have you made a decision?
How do we know you will act in good faith?
Was it in good faith when you murdered my mother?
That never fucking happened.
Do you have evidence of this crime to show us?
Nice to hear from you again, Alex. In answer to your question, no, we're not in a courtroom, so they can't hide behind lawyers or corrupt judges. It's just me. And I don't need proof for what I know to be true.
Also, we are not giving you any money.
Really? Is Nuri there?
Yes, I'm here.
Did Cross show you the photo? Are you thinking about how you're gonna explain to your granddaughter how you paid for her education? Or are you gonna take that to the grave? Because I know everything.
All right, I'll do it. Just give me time to liquidate everything.
Cut him out.
Sorry, Nori. Everyone has to agree to the deal or there is no deal.
Please, Lance.
Absolutely not.
No.
Sorry, Nuri.
Are you surprised, Nori? One more question, okay? And then I'm gonna go. Have you heard of this amazing tech that allows doctors from anywhere in the world to monitor their patients' health? A woman with a faulty pacemaker in Virginia can get a wake-up call from a doctor in Mumbai. Time to wake up, Nuri.
Jam the signal! Jam the signal! Jam it now!
Get a medic! Get a medic! Get a medic!
Jam it!
Medic!
Medic!
황급히 응급처치를 해보지만 결국 누리는 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
How long now?
My CI says Tyson Knight, aka TK, moved in with her. Madonna didn't just know TK. They were a thing.
한편 저는 알고 보니 엄마가 나이트 트레인과 각별한 사이였다는 소식을 전달받습니다.
I'm sorry, John.
me 10 years to earn that.
I'm proud of you, baby.
You know what I learned in those 10 years? When someone was lying to me. Like when they would look away, or breathe different, or they try too hard to pull me in. You played me, LaDonna. You played me real good.
I didn't kill anybody, John. I swear to you.
No, I believe that. But are you still gonna hang on that lie about not knowing TK?
I told... Yeah, okay. I had to tell you that. So you wouldn't think that I killed anyone.
No, what you did was you found the son that you kicked to the curb a few decades ago. Softened him up enough that maybe, just maybe, he would give a shit about you again. And then hope that he would help you find a way out of this trouble.
I can see how you'd think that. Well, we've been building back together. And think about all the time we have to catch up.
You just don't know how bad I needed to hear that. We picked up TK this morning. He's looking at first-degree murder charges. Now, you're on the hook for aiding and abetting after the fact. But I can get you out of this. ADA Kowaleski will drop it to obstruction if you testify against TK.
Then I want to confess.
To what?
I did it. Just me.
Look, we already have a witness that tells a different story.
Well, it'll be their word against mine.
You willing to do that kind of time to protect him?
If I have to.
What happened to all that time that we were trying to build things back together?
I want a lawyer.
Get her out of there.
그렇게 존은 자신을 버렸던 엄마에게 또다시 배신을 당하고 말죠. 그 시각 누리의 죽음에 겁을 먹고 도망치던 다음 타겟이 또 사망하는데요.
Be careful, Donnie.
I will.
그와 동시에 루스의 동료가 다음 타겟을 노리기 시작하죠. 이때 한 발 늦게 도착한 크로스.
It's in a book, The Odyssey. Other room.
잠시 후 남자는 책 속에서 녹음기 하나를 찾고 크로스를 발견합니다.
I heard you banging around in there. You're here to take all his money, aren't you?
Sir, MPD, I'm gonna need you to clear the hallway. Sir? Ah, shit, no pulse. He's dead.
Police! He's gone.
Shit. Go. Go get him. I got this. Go.
They send as many units as available.
True John, look out!
그렇게 시작되는 숨막히는 추격전.
Donnie!
You want to do this here?
Is this you, Donnie? Killing innocent old folks?
It might have to be today.
You gonna be a dead man.
Go!
결국 겁에 질린 사람들을 피해 다니다 크로스는 남자를 놓치고 맙니다.
Fucker winged me.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Luce will finally get some closure.
이렇게 남자가 녹음기를 전달하려던 바로 그때
Good friend to her. I'm sorry, Donnie, but Luce never needs to hear this. I'm so sorry.
잠시 후 뒤늦게 쓰러진 남자를 발견하는 존과 크로스.
There's somebody over here. Oh shit, it's Donnie.
한편 배신까지 하며 녹음기를 손에 넣은 이모였지만 어째선지 녹음기는 텅 빈 상태였는데요.
Everything all right? Where's Donnie?
Me.
No. Who?
It was Cross.
그리고 며칠 뒤 위험한 상황 속에서도 듀랜드의 고집으로 번영의 씨앗 행사가 열리려 하고 있습니다.
We need to shut this whole thing down.
We have the governor coming, 2 sitting senators, the vice president.
You'd rather put them all in danger than shut down Lance's public jerk-off session?
Yeah, you can call this. For your boss's safety,
My boss has waited his whole life for this moment. He is willing to take the risk.
Are you? Luce is going in order, and you're next.
It is my job to be in harm's way.
It's gonna be real hard to protect your buddy Lance if you're dead.
Oh, hold it. Nobody's dying. We're just
He is
trying
not
to-
changing his mind. This is happening, and you need to make it safe.
하지만 잠시 후 식사 자리에서 겐카즈가 알레르기 증상을 보이는데요.
It's fine. I'm fine.
Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Is there anything I can get you or anything I can do?
Fine. It's not the first time.
Wait, you don't think?
Someone got careless. That's all. Where's the nearest urgent care?
그 시각 크로스는 케일라에게 녹음기에 대해 듣습니다.
Also, Griffith's brother woke up, says it was an audio recording. Donnie Hayes came for it, and the brother gave him the wrong one, kept the real one.
A recording of?
Fucking Iowa Lance and his buddies planning to murder Gabriela Porras. I doubt it'll hold up in court, but, if I was loose.
Who's got the recording now?
We do, and there's a curveball.
Claire, you promised us that you could change your sister's mind.
Gabriela's stubborn. Always has been. She said even millions of dollars couldn't stop her from doing what's right.
The auntie set up Luce's mother.
한편 병원에서 차례를 기다리고 있던 겐카즈.
Nat, gang cars?
Nat gang cars? Sorry for the wait, but your time has come.
그렇게 루스는 듀랜드를 제외한 나머지를 죽이는데 성공하죠. 잠시 후 직접 듀랜드를 만나 행사의 취소를 요청하려던 크로스와 존.
Where's Durant? Got a text from his head of security a few minutes ago. Said Durant got rerouted back to his hotel.
Text? From Nat gang cars? Nah, call the detail at the hospital.
그때 두 사람은 겐카즈의 사망 소식을 듣고 곧바로 듀랜드를 찾지만 이미 한 발 늦었습니다.
What's going on?
This is where she's set to bring you.
What? Who? Hey! What are you doing?
Hello, Lance.
그렇게 듀랜드가 납치됐다는 소식에 크로스는 루스가 그를 어디로 데려갔는지 추측해 보는데
The prosperity seed that grows, we will end world hunger forever.
He deserves to be watered in blood, just like his prosperity seed.
What you got, sugar?
I know where she took him.
한편 이야기의 마무리를 지으려 하는 루스.
Luce, I know you hate me, okay? But you're taking action against something you think you know. But we've never talked. All right, so maybe we can just sit down and talk for a second.
Get in.
What?
Get into the hole and say hi to your friend.
Fuck you! There's no way in hell I'm letting you do it your way!
My way would be putting you in that hole one piece at a time, alive.
You and me, we're the same.
I don't kill innocent people.
Yes, you do, Luce. Look, I never wanted to hurt anyone. But sometimes humans must perish in order for humankind to reach new heights.
And you won't mind adding another.
Fuck. Help! Help me!
Luce, no!
Stop and walk away.
We can't do that. You know that.
You know what he is, Alex.
Yes, I do. You want to get revenge? Let him live. Let him live to see everything he loves get destroyed. I promise you, I will make that happen.
He gonna suffocate!
그렇게 두 사람은 황급히 듀랜드를 구하지만 그 사이 루스는 달아나 버리고 맙니다.
performed the ceremonial planting of the prosperity seed and officially launched the World Food Source Initiative.
그 시각 루스의 이모를 FBI가 붙잡는데 성공하지만 그녀에게선 아무런 증언을 들을 수 없었는데요.
I got an idea. We're gonna get Luz a message and then we're gonna let Auntie go.
이에 크로스는 루스에게 사실을 알리려 하죠.
Luz, don't hang up. I'm gonna play something for you that proves your auntie set your mother up to die.
Gabriela is stubborn. Always has been. She said even millions of dollars couldn't stop her from doing what's right.
Then we have to get rid of her, and you need to help us. You still want that $50,000?
Yes. I'll make it easy.
Wait! I need to get off!
잠시 후 루스에게서 연락을 받은 이모는 그녀를 만나기 위해 약속 장소로 향하고
Mia, you made it.
Davy, what are you doing here? You should be in Mexico by now.
I couldn't leave without giving this to you.
Gabriela is stubborn. Always has been.
You still want that $50,000?
Yes. I'll make it easy.
You have to know, I wasn't the one.
You might as well have been.
It would have gotten to her one way or another.
You sold out my mother for $50,000. How the hell do you sleep at night?
I don't. I spent the rest of my life trying to make it up to you both. By raising you, by loving you.
I spent over half my life becoming the monster you needed me to be. I got rid of every part of me that was soft or joyful or just fucking tired. I gave up my conscience and my soul for a mission that wasn't even fucking real.
It was real. They killed your mother.
I killed innocent people. I killed Lincoln.
You had to. Lance Durant had to pay. You and me are the only family we have left.
No. You killed the last of my family when you murdered Donnie.
Move! It's over. Just, it's done.
이때 루스를 바라보며 이모는 마지막 결단을 내립니다.
Corre mía.
Luz, hey, wait, please, Luz, wait!
There's no other way it can end.
No, Luz.
Don't forget you promised me, Alex. Make him pay.
Luz, no!
Me diste la vida. Te colmo de amor.
그날 이후 사건을 해결해 FBI에서 승진한 케일라를 축하해주는 크로스.
Wow.
No, seriously, congratulations on finally getting the credit you deserve.
Thank you.
So what about Roy? Is he up or out?
Well, deputy director.
Really? Is he going to help us drop the house on Lance?
It's hard to read.
It won't matter. The drive Luz sent me has enough evidence to make this airtight.
하지만 여전히 FBI는 듀랜드가 벌이고 있는 사업이 국가적인 사업이라며 그를 섣불리 체포할 수 없다고 말하는데요.
The world believes that this... Does that make sense? In fact, there are things that we can do right now. For instance, if you have proof of labor malpractice.
We do have evidence that Lance Duran participated in human trafficking, slave labor, exploitation of minors, murder, and whatever the hell is living up under that cornfield.
We're not touching Durand. I know you don't want to hear that, but I'm a straight shooter, and that's just a fact. However, we can make Crestbrook Industries clean their shit up like yesterday. Just give us the proof, and we'll get to work.
결국 크로스는 FBI의 부패한 모습만 바라보며 실망하죠.
I didn't bring it.
I thought he was bringing the drive. Okay. Well, why don't you go get it? Sooner the better, right? Roy, go with him.
잠시 후 남자의 넋두리를 듣던 크로스.
And one of them was Burkina Faso.
Yeah, cool. I need to make a pit stop. Is there a bathroom around here?
Yeah, pisser's right over there.
손을 씻으며 생각에 잠기던 크로스는 결국 결단을 내립니다.
I knew that when I saw how you took it.
Out of the car! Alex, cross out of the car now!
크로스는 루스와의 약속을 지키기 위해 FBI와 싸우기로 하죠.
Hey, sorry to bother you, but do you remember that bag I gave you a while back?
Yeah.
If the feds call, you haven't heard from me.
Alex, you don't seem fine. What are you looking to do?
I don't know. But I can't be a part of a system where people like Luz die trying to make a difference, and then people like Lance Duran just get to walk away scot-free. What?
Nothing. I just knew this day was coming.
For real?
Alex, it's a bad system. You're a good man. It was only a matter of time before those two truths collided.
Well, I'm glad it all makes sense to you, because I don't know which way is up right now.
Alex,
Yeah,
you stay alive.
I'll do my best.
잠시 후 동료들에게 향하던 크로스는 다시 FBI와 마주치고
Hey, warm up the spot. I'm coming in hot.
그렇게 크로스는 신뢰하는 동료 경찰들이 자주 모이는 한식당으로 황급히 도망칩니다.
Hey, what's up, Malika?
You tell me. DC is hot right now.
Hot Bills waiting for you round back. White BMW.
Good looking out, Easy.
Hey.
Yo, MBD's off the case. We have anybody on the inside that we can still trust.
그때 크로스는 FBI 소속인 케일라에게 전화를 받는데요.
Oh my God, Alex, are you okay?
Sure. Considering Lance Duran has the bureau in his pocket now.
I wanted to warn you.
Yeah?
Of course. Look, I found out about Duran about 3 minutes before you did.
But if you come in now,
You could still make it right.
What about any of this is right?
I'm on your side.
I gotta go.
No, Alex, please stay with me.
크로스는 케일라의 말에서 수상함을 느끼기 시작하지만 이미 위치가 추적되고 맙니다.
We're closed.
You got a warrant?
Coming into a restaurant during regular business hours. Now get the fuck out of the way.
The proprietor says she's closed. No warrant, no entry. Get your punk ass out of here.
Alex? Alex.
He's gone.
그렇게 FBI의 편에 선 케일라는 크로스의 행방을 쫓는데요.
Where is he?
Girl, please. I would fucking tell you if I knew anything. Must be on your goddamn mind.
이때 크로스의 말을 떠올리는 케일라.
Gabriela Perez listed these individuals for a reason. Make enough noise, maybe get some legislation on the books. Close the loopholes permanently before another Lance Duran gets started.
I know where he's going. Leave everything. Tell the TAC team to meet us at Senator Ashford's office now.
한편 케일라의 예상대로 크로스는 애시퍼드 의원에게 향하고 있었는데요.
Alex, stop. Alex, stop!
Sorry to come at you like this, Senator, but it can't wait.
Is that bell tolling for you or for me?
I know you don't approve of what your mother did for Crestbrook.
No, I didn't then. I don't now.
Are you willing to do the right thing, even if it costs you?
You know that I am, but I told you it only works if we get the DOJ on board. And you said you would handle
The DOJ's in his pocket. A lot of people are, but you can change that. Senator, when you were a kid, they owned one judge. How many do you think they own now? How many?
Get your fucking hands up!
그렇게 크로스는 애시퍼드에게 충고를 날린 뒤 FBI에게 붙잡히고 말죠.
Hey, get him out of here. Did he give you anything?
No. We were just talking.
그리고 다음날 애시퍼드는 듀랜드와 약속한 법안을 발표하기 위해 기자회견을 갖습니다.
Thank you all for coming today. I know we've all been looking forward to the announcement of Senate Bill 7049.
However, I'm withdrawing my support for the bill.
하지만 애시퍼드는 양심 선언을 하기로 하죠.
The Prosperity Seeds development has been funded by the labor of exploited immigrant children. My food is harvested and processed by children. And this isn't just happening overseas. It's happening every day on American soil. In fact, we've got one of its most egregious offenders right here in this room. There are bodies buried underneath Lance Duran's farm who died in horrific accidents while working at Crestbrook Industries. Mr. Duran believed because these children were undocumented that they could be easily disposed of.
These accusations are absolutely untrue. I'm not going to stand for this. For all that we know, this could be a Native American burial ground.
7 of the children have already been positively identified. Sebastian Juan Gonzalez.
Where do you think you're going? Turn around and look at us while I'll beat your ass on national TV.
For too long, corporate officers have sheltered behind laws that protected them from the responsibilities of their companies. No longer. Today, I am submitting a new piece of legislation. It will hold every corporate executive personally accountable for the crimes committed by their companies. Lance Duran will answer for his crimes. I want to thank the brilliant agents of the FBI and the investigators from DC's own Metropolitan Police Department, especially Detective Alex Cross. It's because of their fine work that these crimes came to light.
이렇게 루스의 희생과 크로스의 집념으로 듀랜드의 악행은 세계에 알려지는데요. 부패한 권력에 맞선 이들로 인해 현실은 조금씩 바뀌기 시작하죠.
Blanca, veniste. Sabía que lo harías.
I still think I made the right decision. I know it hurts you that I kept it a secret, and for that, I'm sorry.
한편 아들보다 범죄자를 감싸는 친어머니의 모습에 충격을 받은 존에게 크로스의 어머니는 쪽지 하나를 건네는데요.
I've got something for you. This might bring you more pain, or maybe something else. I don't know.
Ed Fettis?
That's your father's name. He wants to meet you.
그날 밤 심각한 표정으로 앉아있는 크로스에게 다가가는 존.
This thing you gonna do tomorrow, you wanna talk about it?
It's like they say in court too, John. Res ipsa loquitur.
What the hell does that mean?
Thing speaks for itself.
You know, darling, it's just like a lucid dream. Well, nothing is quite what it seems.
그리고 다음 날 크로스는 커다란 결단을 내립니다.
Look who it is. The man of the hour.
Cross. Let's talk commendations. I'm thinking a press conference, nice tasteful medal. Do you want an office?
If you want my job, you're welcome to it.
이때 자신의 배지와 권총을 내려놓는 크로스.
Some kind of hidden camera situation.
No.
I know you're in a bad place.
Digging up the bones of children will do that to you.
Alex, those children are why we do what we do. You got Duran. You changed the law.
I only won this time because I found a few honest people to step in. Honest people who were against everything the feds did. Every lawmaker, inspector, cop, judge, co-conspirator who knew what Duran was doing for years and looked the other way. I don't think I can be a part of something with that many goddamn people looking the other way. You know, you once told me to define for myself what it meant to be a hero. I don't think it's this.
Not for me.
이렇게 경찰을 그만두고 어딘가로 향하는 크로스의 모습으로 크로스 시즌2는 막을 내립니다.